Welcome to our channel. We are so glad you found your way here. Let us help you fall asleep. Let's begin with homeostasis, the delicate balance that keeps you alive. And take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Let the weight of the day fade away as we embark on an unhurried atmospheric journey through the wonders of the cosmos. Your mind is quiet, the universe is vast, and we are ready to explore. Homeostasis refers to the processes that maintain a stable internal environment within living organisms. This stability is crucial for survival, allowing systems to function optimally despite external fluctuations. Temperature regulations, pH balance, and electrolyte concentration exemplify the various parameters that must remain within narrow limits. In this region of scientific inquiry, feedback mechanisms play a vital role. Negative feedback loops frequently govern these processes, counteracting deviations from set points. For instance, when body temperature rises, mechanisms activate to promote heat loss, restoring equilibrium. Conversely, when temperatures drop, the body generates heat through metabolic processes, ensuring that core temperatures remain stable. The concept of homeostasis extends beyond individual organisms. Ecosystems, too, exhibit forms of balance, where interactions between species and their environments create a dynamic equilibrium. Changes within one component can ripple through the system, prompting adaptations in others. This interconnectedness highlights the intricate relationships that sustain life. These mechanisms are not only essential for individual survival, but also underline the resilience of life in varied conditions. The capacity to adapt and maintain balance is a fundamental characteristic observed across diverse organisms. Understanding this delicate equilibrium provides insight into the complexities of life and the continuous interplay between internal and external environments, shaping existence on Earth. Early theories of homeostasis emerged during a time when the understanding of biological processes was rudimentary. Ancient philosophers proposed that the human body functioned through various elemental balances, a notion rooted in the concept of humors. This perspective dominated thought for centuries, suggesting that health depended on the equilibrium of bodily fluids: blood, phlegm, black bile, and yellow bile. As scientific inquiry progressed, figures like Claude Bernard introduced the idea of internal environment stability during the mid-19th century. His observations emphasized the significance of maintaining constancy within the body, laying groundwork for future investigations. Bernard's work was pivotal, allowing a deeper exploration of physiological processes. The term homeostasis was later coined by Walter Cannon in the early 20th century, synthesizing prior ideas into a cohesive framework. Cannon's research highlighted mechanisms such as feedback loops and the body's adaptive responses to fluctuations in the environment. This marked a significant shift in the understanding of how organisms maintain stability in the face of external challenges. Through the lens of historical perspectives, it becomes evident that homeostasis is not merely a modern scientific construct, but a culmination of evolving ideas. Each contribution has added depth to the understanding of how life sustains itself, revealing the intricate connections between organism and environment. Homeostasis plays a critical role in maintaining stability within biological systems. It operates through a series of feedback mechanisms that monitor internal conditions, ensuring that variables such as temperature, pH, and electrolyte levels remain within narrow limits. This regulation is vital for optimal cellular function, as deviations can lead to dysfunction and dangers. In mammals, for instance, thermoregulation exemplifies this delicate balance. The body employs a range of physiological responses to either conserve or dissipate heat, depending on external conditions. Sweating and increased blood flow to the skin facilitate heat loss in warmer environments, while shivering generates heat in colder settings. This adaptability underscores the complexity of the systems involved, which include the hypothalamus, endocrine signals, and various organs. In aquatic ecosystems, organisms utilize osmoregulation to maintain fluid balance in response to salinity changes. This process is essential for cellular integrity, enabling life to thrive in both freshwater and marine habitats. Plant life also exemplifies homeostasis through processes such as transpiration and nutrient uptake, responding to environmental stresses like drought or excessive sunlight. Each mechanism reflects an evolutionary adaptation, promoting resilience in diverse habitats. Understanding these processes provides insight into the fundamental principles that govern life on Earth and highlights the interconnectedness of living systems and their environments. Feedback mechanisms play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis within living organisms. These processes operate through intricate networks that monitor internal conditions and initiate corrective actions when deviations occur. In this context, negative feedback emerges as the predominant mechanism, functioning to counteract changes and restore equilibrium. When a parameter, such as temperature or blood glucose levels, strays from its optimal range, receptors detect this shift and relay information to control centers. These control centers process incoming signals and activate effectors, which execute responses aimed at returning the variable to its desired state. For instance, when body temperature rises, sweat glands activate, facilitating heat loss through evaporation. Conversely, in response to a drop in temperature, shivering occurs, generating heat through muscle contractions. This continuous monitoring and adjustment exemplify the dynamic nature of life processes. Unshevative feedback, while less common, also contributes to homeostasis by amplifying certain responses. An example is the release of oxytocin during childbirth, intensifying contractions until delivery is achieved. This mechanism, though not aimed at maintaining balance in the traditional sense, underscores the complexity of regulatory systems, and negative feedback plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. This process functions as a self-regulating mechanism, where the output of a system inhibits its own production, leading to stability. For instance, in temperature regulations, when the body temperature rises, mechanisms activate to dissipate heat, while a decrease prompts heat retention. This continuous monitoring and adjustment underscores the efficacy of negative feedback in promoting equilibrium within biological systems. Positive feedback, in contrast, amplifies responses, pushing conditions further away from a baseline. This type of feedback serves specific purposes, such as during childbirth. As contractions intensify, they stimulate the release of oxytocin, leading to even stronger contractions. The cycle continues until the process culminates in delivery, illustrating how positive feedback can drive significant change within a system. The interplay between these two feedback types highlights a sophisticated network of interactions. Negative feedback ensures stability, while positive feedback facilitates necessary progress, often in critical moments. Each operates within a delicate balance, emphasizing the importance of both mechanisms in sustaining life in various biological contexts. The dominance of one feedback type over another can determine the outcome of numerous physiological processes. These intricate relationships reveal the nuanced dynamics that underpin homeostatic regulation, showcasing nature's capacity for adaptation and resilience. Thermoregulation exemplifies a vital aspect of homeostatic regulation. It involves a series of processes that maintain the body's core temperature within a narrow, optimal range. This range is crucial for the proper functioning of enzymatic reactions and metabolic activities. Various mechanisms work in concert to achieve this balance, including thermoreceptors that detect changes in temperature and relay information to the hypothalamus. Upon sensing deviations, the hypothalamus orchestrates appropriate responses. When the environment becomes excessively warm, it triggers vasodilation, allowing blood vessels to expand and increase heat loss through the skin. Sweat glands become activated, facilitating evaporative cooling. Conversely, in cooler conditions, the body conserves heat by inducing vasoconstriction, reducing blood flow to the periphery. Shivering may also occur, generating heat through muscle activity. The interplay between these mechanisms illustrates how efficiently the body responds to external temperature fluctuations. Additionally, behavioral adaptations, such as seeking shade or adjusting clothing, further augment physiological responses. These processes highlight the intricate feedback systems that maintain thermal equilibrium. Disruptions in this delicate balance can lead to hypothermia or hypothermia, conditions that pose significant health risks. Thus, the body's commitment to thermoregulation underscores its remarkable capacity to adapt and sustain life in varying environments. The constant interplay of signals ensures stability amid ever-changing surroundings. This intricate system serves as the initial barrier against external threats, comprising skin, hair, and nails. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining homeostasis. The skin, the largest organ, is a complex structure consisting of multiple layers. Each layer contributes to its protective function, providing a shield against pathogens, UV radiation, and physical injuries. Keratinocytes, the predominant cells within the epidermis, produce keratin, a resilient protein that enhances the barrier's strength. Beneath the epidermis, the dermis houses blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissue, facilitating nutrient delivery and sensation. This region supports the epidermis, ensuring its health and functionality. Sebaceous glands within this system secrete sebum, an oily substance that hydrates and protects the skin from microbial invasion. Sweat glands regulate temperature through perspiration, a vital process for thermoregulation. The evaporation of sweat cools the body, maintaining a stable internal environment despite fluctuations in external temperatures. Skin also serves as a sensory interface, containing receptors that detect changes in the environment, such as pressure, temperature, and pain. This capacity allows for rapid responses to potential threats. Collectively, these features illustrate the integumentary system's essential role in safeguarding the body, reflecting the intricate balance necessary for survival within a dynamic world. This regulation process is primarily governed by the hypothalamus, a small but crucial structure located deep within the brain. Acting as the body's thermostat, it monitors internal temperature and initiates responses to maintain equilibrium. This region receives input from thermoreceptors, which detect changes in both external and internal temperature, ensuring that these fluctuations are promptly addressed. When the body's temperature deviates from its set point, the hypothalamus triggers mechanisms to restore balance. In the case of elevated temperature, it induces sweating and vasodilation, which increases blood flow to the skin's surface. This facilitates heat loss through evaporation, effectively cooling the body. Conversely, when faced with a decrease in temperature, it prompts shivering and vasoconstriction. The latter narrows blood vessels, conserving core heat and directing it towards vital organs. These regulatory processes illustrate the hypothalamus's pivotal role in thermal homeostasis, a vital aspect of the broader equilibrium that sustains life. The interaction of neural pathways and physiological responses underlines the complexity of this regulatory system. It highlights the finely tuned feedback loops that operate seamlessly, ensuring that the body adapts to both environmental demands and internal changes. The balance maintained by the hypothalamus is essential, enabling organisms to thrive in a variety of conditions. This complex regulation encompasses several mechanisms of heat production, primarily rooted in metabolic activity. Metabolic rate refers to the rate at which energy is expended in the body, impacting heat generation. In this region of physiology, chemical reactions convert substrates into energy, releasing heat as a byproduct. Basal metabolic rate represents the minimal energy requirement for maintaining vital functions while at rest. Factors influencing this rate include body composition, age, and hormonal levels. Muscle tissue, with its higher energy demands, contributes significantly to an increase in metabolic heat production compared to adipose tissue, which is more energy efficient. During physical activity, metabolic rates can increase dramatically. Muscle contractions necessitate enhanced energy production, further elevating heat output. This rise in thermal energy must be effectively managed by the body's thermoregulatory processes to prevent overheating. Shivering serves as a physiological response, activating muscle fibers to generate additional heat through rapid contractions. Conversely, in warmer environments, sweat production facilitates evaporative cooling, allowing heat to dissipate effectively. This intricate interplay of processes ensures that organisms maintain an optimal internal temperature despite external fluctuations. The understanding of these mechanisms provides insight into the larger framework of homeostasis, revealing a finely tuned balance that sustains life. Heat loss mechanisms play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis within living organisms. Conduction occurs when heat transfers through direct contact, allowing warmer areas to share energy with cooler regions. This process is most evident in the relationship between skin and external surfaces, where temperature differences prompt an exchange of thermal energy. Convection involves the movement of air or liquid, carrying heat away from the body. As warmer air rises, it creates a current that draws in cooler air, effectively enhancing heat dissipation. This interaction is particularly significant in environments where fluid dynamics can facilitate temperature regulation. Radiation, distinct from both conduction and convection, involves the emission of infrared radiation from surfaces. The body continually emits heat in this form, a process that does not require any medium. The effectiveness of radiation is influenced by the surrounding environment, with temperature gradients playing a pivotal role in heat exchange. These mechanisms are not isolated. Rather, they work in concert to regulate internal temperatures. When external conditions become extreme, the body adapts through various physiological changes, such as increased perspiration or alterations in blood flow. Maintaining equilibrium requires continuous monitoring and adjustment in response to fluctuating environmental factors. This intricate interplay underscores the importance of heat loss mechanisms in sustaining life's delicate balance. Balance. West glands emerge as vital components in maintaining thermal equilibrium within the body. These specialized structures, primarily located in the dermis, play a crucial role in dissipating excess heat. When internal temperatures rise, whether due to physical exertion or environmental conditions, the brain signals these glands to initiate perspiration. The secretion of moisture on the skin's surface facilitates heat loss through evaporation. This process serves not only to cool the body, but also to maintain optimal functioning of various physiological systems. The mechanism operates efficiently, allowing for temperature regulation even in the face of external stresses. In humid environments, where evaporation is impaired, the effectiveness of sweat glands becomes limited, potentially leading to heat-related illnesses. Each sweat gland contains a coiled tubule, which produces a fluid primarily composed of water and electrolytes. This composition is essential. It aids in maintaining fluid balance and preventing dehydration. Individual variation in sweat gland density and function contributes to differing capabilities in thermoregulation among individuals. The subtlety of this system illustrates the intricate nature of homeostasis. Environmental factors, physical activity, and even genetic predisposition influence its efficiency. Observing these mechanisms provides insight into the remarkable adaptability of living organisms in their quest for equilibrium. The insulin-glucagon axis plays a pivotal role in maintaining blood glucose levels within a narrow range. In the pancreas, specialized cells monitor glucose concentrations, responding to fluctuations with precision. When blood glucose levels rise, such as after a meal, beta cells release insulin. This hormone facilitates cellular uptake of glucose, of gifungsprinde, of gulted cells sanjub, sevioj their utbig of glucose, effectively lowering blood sugar levels while promoting storage in the form of glycogen within liver and muscle tissues. As glucose levels fall, the opposite response occurs. Alpha cells in the pancreas secrete glucagon, which stimulates the liver to convert glycogen back into glucose, releasing it into the bloodstream. This intricate hormonal interplay ensures that energy supply remains stable, supporting vital cellular processes. The delicate balance maintained by this axis is crucial, as both hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia can lead to severe physiological consequences. Chronic elevation of blood glucose, often seen in diabetes, indicates a failure in the regulatory mechanisms, leading to long-term health complications. Conversely, sudden drops in glucose levels can result in disorientation, loss of consciousness, or seizures. A healthy homeostatic response exemplifies the body's resilience and adaptability, illustrating how finely tuned biological systems can navigate the complexities of internal and external environments. This regulation is not merely a survival mechanism, it reflects the evolutionary sophistication inherent in metabolic processes. The islets of Langerhans play a crucial role in this intricate balance, serving as clusters of specialized cells within the pancreas. These small structures, although diminutive in size, are pivotal for regulating blood glucose levels. Composed primarily of alpha and beta cells, they respond to fluctuations in glucose concentrations with remarkable precision. Upon detecting elevated glucose, beta cells release insulin, a hormone that facilitates cellular uptake of glucose, promoting energy production and storage. In situations of low glucose availability, alpha cells synthesize glucagon, which prompts the liver to release stored glucose back into circulation. This reciprocal relationship between insulin and glucagon exemplifies the delicate interplay necessary for maintaining homeostasis. The dysfunction of these islets can lead to significant metabolic disorders, including diabetes mellitus, where glucose regulation is compromised. The pancreas acidotyriety also contributes to digestive processes, providing enzymes that aid in the breakdown of macronutrients. This multifaceted organ embodies the complex interactions between endocrine and exocrine functions, emphasizing the interconnectedness of physiological systems. The continuous activity of the islets of Langerhans highlights the sophistication of metabolic regulation. Their ability to adapt to varying physiological demands underscores the importance of these structures in sustaining life. revealing the underlying principles of homeostasis that govern human health. Vamp play a pivotal role in the regulation of glucose within the body. These specialized proteins, situated on the surface of cells, are adept at detecting fluctuations in glucose levels. When glucose concentration rises, specific receptors initiate a cascade of intracellular signals. This process, known as signal transduction, is crucial for maintaining energy balance. Upon glucose binding, conformational changes in these receptors trigger the activation of various signaling pathways. One significant pathway involves the insulin receptor, which facilitates the uptake of glucose into cells. This mechanism is vital for lowering blood glucose levels, ensuring that excess sugar does not accumulate in the bloodstream. The intricate interplay between these receptors and their corresponding signaling molecules exemplifies the complexity of metabolic regulation. In parallel, other receptors contribute to glucose homeostasis by sensing hormones such as glucagon. When glucose levels drop, glucagon activates pathways that stimulate the liver to release stored glucose, thereby raising blood sugar levels. This feedback loop between glucose uptake and release highlights the delicate balance that cellular receptors uphold. Homeostasis occurs primarily in the liver and muscle tissues, where stored glycogen is broken down into glucose molecules. This process ensures a readily available supply of energy during periods of fasting or intense physical activity. Enzymes such as glycogen phosphorylase play crucial roles in catalyzing this breakdown, releasing glucose into the bloodstream to maintain blood sugar levels. In this region of energy mobilization, the liver acts as a central hub, regulating glucose levels for the entire organism. Gluconeogenesis, on the other hand, serves as the synthesis pathway, converting non-carbohydrate substrates like amino acids and glycerol into glucose. This metabolic pathway ensures that energy remains accessible even when carbohydrate intake is low. It primarily occurs in the liver, but also takes place in the kidneys during prolonged fasting states. The processes of glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis are tightly regulated by hormones such as insulin and glucagon, which signal the body's energy needs. Together, these two mechanisms enable the body to adapt to varying energy demands, ensuring a constant supply of glucose in the bloodstream. The intricate interplay of enzymes, hormones, and substrates orchestrates a remarkable biochemical ballet, sustaining life by balancing energy availability with metabolic requirements. This delicate equilibrium is vital for maintaining homeostasis within the body. Acid-base balance represents a critical aspect of homeostasis, involving precise regulation of hydrogen ion concentration in the blood. This process is meticulously managed by various physiological systems, ensuring that blood pH remains within a narrow range of 7.35 to 7.45. Deviations from this range can lead to significant physiological impairments. Buffers play a pivotal role in maintaining this stability, with bicarbonate and carbonic acid acting as the primary components. When excess hydrogen ions are present, bicarbonate ions neutralize acidity, effectively raising pH levels. Conversely, in situations where pH rises too high, carbonic acid can dissociate to release hydrogen ions, thus lowering the pH back to its normal range. The respiratory system also contributes to this delicate balance, regulating carbon dioxide levels through ventilation adjustments. Increased carbon dioxide in the bloodstream can lead to a decrease in pH, prompting the body to enhance breathing rates, expelling carbon dioxide and DO. Together, These systems exemplify the intricate mechanisms working continuously to sustain life. This equilibrium not only reflects the body's resilience, but also its remarkable ability to adapt to varying conditions while preserving essential functions. Buffers play a crucial role in sustaining the delicate pH levels within the body, acting as stabilizers against fluctuations that could disrupt homeostasis. These substances, often consisting of weak acids and their conjugate bases, work to minimize changes in acidity or alkalinity in the bloodstream. For instance, bicarbonate ions engage in a dynamic equilibrium, neutralizing excess hydrogen ions and thereby maintaining a stable pH. The effectiveness of buffers in this process is essential for enzymatic reactions, which require specific pH ranges to function optimally. Deviations from these levels can lead to impaired metabolic functions, affecting everything from cellular respiration to nutrient absorption. The intricate interplay between buffers and hydrogen ions ensures that even during periods of stress or metabolic activity, the body's internal environment remains conducive to life-sustaining processes. In addition to bicarbonate, phosphate buffers and proteins also contribute significantly to pH regulation. Each buffer system operates within its unique range, yet collectively, they form a comprehensive defense against drastic pH changes. This multifaceted approach allows the body to withstand various challenges, including dietary shifts and physical exertion, without compromising its internal stability. The ability to maintain such precision highlights the sophistication of biological systems, reflecting an evolutionary adaptation that underscores the importance of pH balance for sustaining life. Respiratory regulation plays a crucial role in maintaining blood pH, utilizing the carbonic acid bicarbonate system. This delicate equilibrium hinges on the interplay between carbon dioxide and bicarbonate ions, with the lungs acting as vital regulators. When carbon dioxide levels rise, it dissolves in the blood, forming carbonic acid. This acid dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate, leading to a decrease in pH, resulting in acidosis. The body's response is methodical. Increased respiratory rate promotes the exhalation of carbon dioxide, effectively reducing acidity and restoring balance. During states of alkalosis where pH levels rise, the respiratory system can slow, allowing carbon dioxide to accumulate. This process enhances carbonic acid formation, which subsequently increases hydrogen ions, mitigating the elevated pH. The rapid adjustment capabilities of this system illustrate its essential role in physiological homeostasis. The buffering action of bicarbonate ensures that even minute fluctuations in pH are counteracted swiftly. This intricate mechanism not only sustains proper cellular function, but also influences metabolic processes throughout the body. The interplay between respiration and blood chemistry demonstrates the body's remarkable ability to adapt to varying environmental conditions, maintaining a stable internal milieu essential for life. Each breath serves as a reminder of this ongoing regulation, a silent guardian of homeostasis. The kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining acid-base homeostasis, meticulously regulating the balance of hydrogen ions and bicarbonate in the body. They achieve this through several mechanisms, primarily involving filtration and reabsorption. Within the nephrons, hydrogen ions are secreted into the tubular fluid, while bicarbonate is reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. This delicate process ensures that the pH remains within the narrow range necessary for optimal cellular function. In addition to reabsorption, the kidneys can produce new bicarbonate, further contributing to this equilibrium. When acid accumulation occurs, renal tubules increase the excretion of hydrogen ions and enhance bicarbonate reabsorption, effectively neutralizing excess acidity. Conversely, During states of alkalosis, adjustments are made to excrete bicarbonate, thereby restoring balance. The impact of these renal functions extends beyond mere acid-base regulation. They influence overall metabolic processes. This region of kidney function interacts harmoniously with respiratory regulation, where carbon dioxide levels are adjusted through ventilation. Such cooperation illustrates the interconnectedness of biological systems in maintaining homeostasis. The efficiency of renal contributions can be affected by various factors, including diet and hydration status. Chronic conditions may impair these functions, leading to disturbances in acid-base balance. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for appreciating the complexity of physiological regulation within the human body. Water plays a pivotal role in maintaining fluid balance within the human body. It constitutes a significant portion of physiological processes, facilitating cellular function, nutrient transport, and waste elimination. The total body water content varies between individuals, but generally comprises approximately 60% of body weight in adults. This region of fluid distribution is categorized into intracellular and extracellular compartments. Intracellular fluid resides within cells, providing an environment for biochemical reactions. Conversely, extracellular fluid surrounds cells and is crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance and blood pressure. The dynamic exchange between these compartments ensures that cells remain hydrated and capable of performing vital functions. Mechanisms such as osmosis and diffusion regulate this exchange, driven by concentration gradients. The kidneys play a central role in regulating water balance. They filter blood, selectively reabsorbing water and electrolytes to maintain homeostasis. Hormones, such as antidiuretic hormone, adjust water reabsorption rates in response to the body's hydration status. When dehydration occurs, thirst signals prompt fluid intake, while excessive hydration triggers mechanisms to expel surplus water. These processes are finely tuned, reflecting the body's need for equilibrium. Disruptions to this balance can lead to complications, underscoring the importance of water in sustaining health and vitality. This intricate system highlights the body's remarkable ability to adapt and maintain homeostasis in varying conditions. The kidneys serve as vital regulators within this intricate system, functioning as the body's filtration and regulation apparatus. Positioned in the lower back, these bean-shaped organs filter approximately 50 gallons of blood each day, meticulously removing waste products and excess substances. Each kidney contains around 1 million nephrons, the microscopic units where filtration occurs. Through a complex process, these structures identify and reabsorb essential nutrients, while simultaneously expelling toxins and surplus water. It is within these nephrons that blood is transformed into urine, a process that ensures the maintenance of fluid and electrolyte balance. This remarkable efficiency prevents the accumulation of harmful substances that could disrupt homeostasis. The kidneys also play a significant role in blood pressure regulation by adjusting the volume of blood circulating through the body and releasing hormones such as renin. They respond to fluctuating demands. This dynamic feedback system allows for fine-tuning of blood pressure, ensuring that it remains within a healthy range. In addition to filtration, the kidneys contribute to acid-base balance, regulating pH levels to support optimal cellular function. As the body encounters various environmental stressors, the kidneys adapt their processes accordingly, embodying the resilience and precision inherent in human physiology. Their continuous operation is a testament to the delicate equilibrium that sustains life. Osmoregulation serves as a critical component of this equilibrium, ensuring that cells function optimally in a fluctuating environment. It involves the intricate processes that manage water and electrolyte levels within organisms. The kidneys play a central role in this regulation, filtering blood and selectively reabsorbing water and essential ions while excreting waste products. In freshwater environments, organisms face the challenge of excess water influx. Specialized cells actively transport ions out, preventing cellular swelling and maintaining osmotic balance. Marine species, conversely, contend with the constant loss of water to their salty surroundings. To counteract dehydration, they rely on processes that retain water and excrete concentrated salt solutions. Hormonal regulation plays a pivotal role in osmoregulation. Antidiuretic hormone, for instance, signals the kidneys to increase water reabsorption during states of dehydration. This response reflects the body's ability to detect fluctuating levels of solute concentration, thereby fine-tuning internal conditions. This process extends beyond individual cells to whole ecosystems. Aquatic environments are shaped by the osmoregulatory adaptations of their inhabitants. Salinity gradients influence species distribution, impacting biodiversity and ecological interactions. The delicate balance maintained through osmoregulation highlights the interconnectedness of life and the profound importance of water as a fundamental resource. The function of antidiuretic hormone, often referred to as ADH, plays a critical role in regulating water balance within the body. Produced in the hypothalamus and secreted by the posterior pituitary gland, it responds to changes in osmotic pressure. When dehydration occurs, the concentration of solutes in the blood increases, prompting a surge in ADH levels. This hormone acts primarily on the kidneys, specifically the collecting ducts, facilitating the reabsorption of water back into the bloodstream. Increased water reabsorption reduces urine volume, concentrating waste products and conserving this vital resource. This response is essential for maintaining homeostasis, particularly during periods of fluid loss, such as sweating or inadequate fluid intake. The presence of ADH ensures that even in conditions of dehydration, the body can effectively manage its water resources, minimizing the risk of cellular dysfunction. Conversely, in instances of overhydration, the secretion of ADH decreases. This reduction allows excess water to be excreted as dilute urine, correcting the internal imbalance. The intricate regulation of ADH is a prime example of how hormonal signaling orchestrates physiological responses to maintain equilibrium. Variations in ADH levels can signal underlying health issues, illustrating its significance beyond mere water balance. Understanding this mechanism sheds light on broader aspects of human physiology and its resilience. Some electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis within the human body. These charged particles, including sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, are essential for a variety of physiological processes. They facilitate the transmission of electrical signals in cells, particularly in nerve and muscle function. These ions help regulate fluid balance, ensuring that the body's internal environment remains stable. In this intricate system, sodium serves as a primary electrolyte, influencing blood pressure and fluid levels. Potassium, on the other hand, is vital for heart function and muscle contractions. The balance of these electrolytes is maintained through careful physiological mechanisms, such as the actions of the kidneys, which filter blood and excrete excess ions. In states of dehydration or overhydration, the delicate equilibrium can be disrupted. This can lead to symptoms ranging from muscle cramps and fatigue to more severe complications like arrhythmias. The body responds to these imbalances by activating various hormonal pathways, ensuring that the concentration of electrolytes remains within a narrow range. Maintaining this balance is critical not only for immediate survival, but also for long-term health. The body's ability to adapt to fluctuating conditions highlights the complexity of its regulatory systems, underscoring the importance of electrolytes in sustaining life and promoting overall well-being. This essential mechanism operates through a carefully orchestrated exchange of ions across the cell membrane. The sodium-potassium pump actively transports sodium ions out of the cell, while bringing potassium ions in, maintaining a crucial balance. This process utilizes adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, as an energy source, emphasizing its role in cellular metabolism. The pump's action creates a concentration gradient that is vital for numerous cellular functions, including nerve impulse transmission and muscle contraction. It establishes a resting membrane potential, which is necessary for the excitability of nerve cells. Without this delicate equilibrium, signals would fail to propagate, leading to disruptions in communication within the nervous system. When in the context of physiology, the sodium-potassium pump influences fluid balance. It regulates osmotic pressure, ensuring that cells neither swell excessively nor shrink, which could be detrimental. This regulation is particularly critical during periods of hydration changes, such as during intense physical activity or heat exposure. Electrolyte homeostasis is further supported by hormonal regulation, particularly through mechanisms involving aldosterone and antidiuretic hormone. These hormones respond to fluctuations in sodium and water levels, ensuring that the pump's activity aligns with the body's overall needs. This intricate interplay helps maintain overall stability, reflecting the remarkable adaptability of biological systems in the face of environmental challenges. The endocrine system functions as a crucial component in regulating homeostasis, utilizing hormones to communicate across various bodily systems. These chemical messengers are secreted directly into the bloodstream, allowing for rapid distribution and response to changes in internal and external environments. Glands such as the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal play pivotal roles in this intricate network. The pituitary gland, often referred to as the master gland, orchestrates the activity of other endocrine glands, influencing growth, metabolism, and stress responses. The thyroid gland regulates metabolic processes through the secretion of thyroxine, impacting energy levels and overall physiological function. In response to stressors, the adrenal glands release cortisol and adrenaline, initiating processes that prepare the body for immediate action. This response includes increasing heart rate and redirecting blood flow to vital organs, showcasing the body's innate ability to adapt to perceived threats or challenges. Feedback mechanisms, particularly negative feedback loops, ensure that hormone levels remain within optimal ranges. For instance, elevated blood glucose levels trigger insulin release from the pancreas, promoting glucose uptake by cells and restoring balance. Disruptions in this regulatory system can lead to disorders such as diabetes or hyperthyroidism, underscoring the importance of the endocrine system in maintaining homeostatic equilibrium and overall health. Each component works in harmony, illustrating the remarkable complexity of biological regulation. Thyroid hormones play a pivotal role in regulating metabolism, influencing a range of physiological processes. These hormones, primarily thyroxine and triiodothyronin, are produced by the thyroid gland and released into the bloodstream. Upon their release, they travel throughout the body, binding to receptors in various tissues, thereby modulating metabolic activity. In this region of the endocrine system, thyroid hormones enhance the basal metabolic rate, influencing how energy is utilized within cells. The interplay between these hormones and other regulators is intricate. When energy demands increase, the thyroid gland responds by elevating hormone production, which in turn promotes the utilization of carbohydrates. fats, and proteins. This process ensures that the body can efficiently respond to changes in energy needs. Though negative feedback mechanisms are vital for maintaining balance, elevated levels of thyroid hormones signal the hypothalamus and pituitary gland to reduce the production of thyrotropin-releasing hormone and thyroid-stimulating hormone, respectively. This regulation prevents excessive hormone synthesis, preserving homeostasis. Environmental factors, such as temperature and nutritional status, also influence thyroid function. In colder conditions, increased hormone levels can elevate metabolic rates to generate heat. Thus, it is through these delicate interactions that thyroid hormones exert their significant impact on metabolism, sustaining life and promoting overall health. Maintaining internal stability within the immune system is critical for overall health. This complex network continuously monitors and responds to pathogens, creating a dynamic equilibrium essential for survival. Various cells, such as lymphocytes and macrophages, patrol the body's tissues, identifying and neutralizing threats. When an invader is detected, these cells initiate a cascade of responses aimed at eliminating the pathogen while preserving the integrity of healthy cells. Cytokines play a significant role in this communication, acting as signaling molecules that coordinate the immune response. Their release prompts an increase in blood flow, recruiting additional immune cells to the site of infection. This localized response is crucial for containing and addressing threats without compromising systemic stability. The balance between activation and regulation is finely tuned. Overreacting can lead to autoimmune disorders, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Conversely, inadequate responses can result in persistent infections or increased susceptibility to diseases. Regulatory T cells serve as guardians of this balance, inhibiting excessive immune activity and ensuring that the response remains appropriate. This carefully orchestrated interplay reflects the complexity and importance of homeostasis within the immune system, revealing how it safeguards health while maintaining internal harmony among the myriad of biological processes. The inflammatory response serves as a critical homeostatic mechanism, activating in response to injury or infection. It initiates a series of processes aimed at restoring balance within the body. Upon detection of harmful stimuli, cells release signaling molecules, drawing immune cells to the affected area. This recruitment is essential for containing potential threats and initiating repair. Local blood vessels undergo changes, allowing increased permeability. This alteration facilitates the passage of essential nutrients, immune cells, and proteins into the tissue. The presence of these immune cells creates a localized environment where pathogens can be neutralized and damaged cells can be cleared away. The redness and warmth associated with inflammation reflect this heightened activity, a visual representation of the body's defense. As the response progresses, various cytokines and chemokines orchestrate the activities of immune players, promoting a coordinated attack against invaders. This biochemical dialogue also ensures that the inflammatory process is self-limiting, preventing excessive tissue damage. Once the threat is neutralized, anti-inflammatory signals are activated, guiding the transition from inflammation to healing. By regulating this response, the body can effectively manage infections and injuries while minimizing collateral damage. This delicate balance exemplifies the importance of inflammation in maintaining overall homeostasis, emphasizing its role as both a defender and a restorer. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis serves as a critical component in the stress response system, orchestrating a complex interplay of hormones. When faced with a stressor, The hypothalamus initiates this cascade by releasing corticotropin-releasing hormone. This hormone signals the pituitary gland to secrete adrenocorticotropic hormone, which then travels through the bloodstream to the adrenal glands. In response, these glands release cortisol, a hormone that plays a pivotal role in energy regulation and immune response. Cortisol functions to mobilize energy reserves, enhancing glucose availability for immediate use. It also suppresses non-essential functions, including inflammation and immune system activity, thereby prioritizing survival during acute stress. This response is essential for maintaining homeostasis in the face of environmental challenges. Once the stressor is eliminated, feedback mechanisms help to halt cortisol production, allowing the body to return to its baseline state. Dysregulation of this axis can lead to chronic stress, which often results in long-term health implications. Elevated cortisol levels over extended periods can contribute to various disorders, including anxiety and cardiovascular diseases. Understanding this intricate system highlights the delicate balance the body maintains, ensuring resilience and adaptability in fluctuating environments. Such insights into the stress response deepen comprehension of homeostasis and its profound significance in sustaining life. From life, cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, plays a crucial role in the maintenance of homeostasis. It is produced by the adrenal glands in response to stressors, activating various physiological processes that help the body respond effectively to challenges. This hormone facilitates the mobilization of energy reserves by increasing glucose availability in the bloodstream, ensuring that vital organs receive the necessary fuel during periods of heightened demand. In addition to its metabolic effects, cortisol modulates immune responses, maintaining a balance that prevents overreaction to potential threats while ensuring adequate defense mechanisms remain intact. This regulation is essential, as excessive inflammation can lead to a myriad of health issues. The secretion of cortisol follows a diurnal rhythm, typically peaking in the early morning and gradually declining throughout the day. This cyclical pattern aligns with the body's natural circadian rhythms, promoting alertness during waking hours and supporting restorative processes during sleep. Disruptions to this rhythm, often caused by chronic stress or irregular sleep patterns, can lead to adverse health outcomes, including anxiety, depression, and metabolic disorders. Understanding cortisol's multifaceted role in homeostasis underscores its significance. The delicate interplay between stress response and hormonal balance exemplifies the intricate mechanisms that sustain life, highlighting the importance of maintaining equilibrium in an ever-changing environment. Sleep serves as a critical component in the maintenance of homeostasis, providing a necessary period for restoration and regulation. During this time, the body engages in processes that replenish energy stores, repair tissues, and regulate various physiological functions. Hormonal fluctuations occur, with levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, significantly decreasing during deep sleep, allowing for a reprieve from the demands of daily stresses. This biological rhythm is intricately linked to metabolic function. Glucose metabolism and appetite regulation are notably influenced by sleep patterns, impacting insulin sensitivity and hunger hormones. When sleep is disrupted, these mechanisms falter, leading to potential weight gain and increased risk for metabolic disorders. Cognitive functions also rely heavily on this restorative phase. Memory consolidation and emotional processing are enhanced during sleep cycles, contributing to overall mental health. Inadequate sleep can result in impaired judgment and increased emotional reactivity, further complicating stress management. Physiologically, sleep affects cardiovascular health, Blood pressure regulation and heart rate variability improve during restful periods, reducing the risk of chronic conditions. These interconnected systems illustrate the vital role sleep plays in sustaining homeostasis. Disruption can lead to cascading effects throughout the body, underscoring the necessity of prioritizing sufficient and quality sleep for optimal health and well-being. Circadian rhythms regulate numerous biological processes, intricately aligning with the natural cycles of light and darkness. These rhythms influence hormone release, metabolism, and sleep patterns, acting as internal clocks that govern daily physiological variations. They play an essential role in maintaining homeostasis, ensuring that the body functions harmoniously across various conditions. This internal timing system is primarily driven by the suprachiasmatic nucleus, a cluster of neurons located in the hypothalamus. It receives direct input from the eyes, adjusting its signals based on environmental light cues. This responsiveness allows it to synchronize bodily functions such as the release of melatonin in response to darkness, promoting restorative sleep. In this context, disruptions to natural light exposure, such as those experienced during shift work or prolonged screen time, can lead to misalignments in these rhythms. Such misalignments have been associated with a range of health issues, including metabolic disorders and mood disturbances. The intricate balance maintained by circadian rhythms is crucial for optimal performance and overall health. Understanding these biological clocks provides valuable insights into the importance of regular sleep patterns and exposure to natural light. By nurturing these rhythms, it becomes possible to enhance well-being and fortify the body's resilience against stresses that may threaten homeostasis. Nutritional homeostasis requires an intricate balance between energy intake and expenditure. This equilibrium is vital for maintaining overall health and functionality. Energy intake primarily derives from the consumption of macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, each contributing to the fuel needed for various physiological processes. When food is ingested, it undergoes digestion, subsequently releasing energy in the form of calories. Expenditure, on the other hand, encompasses the energy utilized through basal metabolic functions, physical activity, and thermogenesis, the process of heat production in the body. This energy expenditure varies significantly based on factors such as age, sex, and activity level, which can influence how effectively the body maintains its weight and metabolic health. Disruptions to this balance can lead to conditions like obesity or malnutrition. Excessive energy intake, particularly from processed foods, tends to overshadow energy expenditure, promoting weight gain and associated metabolic disorders. Conversely, insufficient caloric intake can compromise bodily functions, leading to fatigue and immune system weakness. Achieving nutritional homeostasis is a dynamic process, requiring continuous adjustments based on daily activities and lifestyle choices. Monitoring and adapting dietary habits, along with physical activity levels, supports this delicate balance. The gastrointestinal tract plays a pivotal role in nutrient absorption, acting as the conduit through which essential elements enter the body. Comprising various segments, it begins its journey in the mouth, where mechanical and chemical processes initiate the breakdown of food. Saliva, rich in enzymes, begins to dissect carbohydrates, preparing them for further digestion. As food traverses the esophagus, it reaches the stomach, a highly acidic environment where proteins undergo denaturation. This region secretes gastric juices that facilitate the breakdown of complex food structures, ensuring that nutrients are accessible for absorption. The partially digested contents then flow into the small intestine, where a significant portion of nutrient absorption occurs. In this segment, the presence of villi and microvilli increases the surface area, allowing for optimal contact with digested food. These tiny projections enable the selective uptake of vital nutrients, such as amino acids, fatty acids, and monosaccharides, directly into the bloodstream. The small intestine is followed by the large intestine, which plays a crucial role in water and electrolyte absorption. This region also houses a complex microbiome that assists in fermenting undigested fibers, producing short-chain fatty acids, and contributing to overall health. Each phase of this intricate system underscores the importance of maintaining homeostasis through balanced nutrient absorption. The microbiome serves as a crucial component in the regulation of homeostasis, intricately influencing various physiological processes. This diverse community of microorganisms resides primarily in the gastrointestinal tract, where it collaborates with the host to facilitate digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. In this environment, bacteria, archaea, viruses, and fungi coexist, each playing a distinct role in maintaining internal equilibrium. Interactions between these microorganisms and human cells are complex, as they produce essential metabolites that directly affect host metabolism. Short-chain fatty acids, for instance, emerge from the fermentation of dietary fibers, contributing to energy balance and the health of intestinal cells. Disruptions within this ecosystem can lead to dysbiosis, a state where harmful bacteria proliferate, potentially resulting in inflammatory conditions and metabolic disorders. The influence of the microbiome extends beyond the gut, impacting mental health and overall well-being through the gut-brain axis. Signals transmitted through this pathway illustrate the interconnectedness of physiological processes. Moreover, the microbiome adapts dynamically to changes in diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors, demonstrating its resilience and capacity for promoting homeostasis. Research continues to uncover the myriad ways in which this microbial community contributes to human health, highlighting the delicate balance that sustains life and the necessity of nurturing this vital ecosystem for optimal functioning. The intricate system responsible for adaptive homeostasis responds to various stresses through physiological changes aimed at maintaining stability. Stresses can range from physical demands to emotional challenges, each prompting distinct responses. Hormonal fluctuations play a crucial role in this process, with the release of cortisol often signaling the body's reaction to stress. Elevated levels of this hormone prepare the organism for immediate challenges, influencing metabolism, immune responses, and even cognitive function. These adjustments are not merely reactions, they represent a complex interplay between various systems. The nervous system communicates with endocrine organs, triggering changes that enhance endurance and resilience. Heart rate increases, blood pressure rises, and energy availability surges, equipping the body to confront or evade perceived threats. Once the stressor subsides, mechanisms are activated to restore equilibrium, illustrating the body's remarkable ability to navigate fluctuations. Chronic exposure to stress disrupts this delicate balance, leading to potential long-term consequences. Inability to return to homeostasis can result in a cascade of health issues, including cardiovascular disorders, metabolic dysfunction, and mental health challenges. Research emphasizes the importance of recognizing stressors and developing strategies to mitigate their impact. Understanding these adaptive mechanisms is vital for promoting well-being and ensuring the longevity of the intricate systems that sustain life. Temperature plays a crucial role in the maintenance of homeostasis. Within specific thresholds, it allows organisms to function optimally, facilitating biochemical reactions essential for survival. Variations in ambient temperature can lead to physiological adjustments, ensuring that internal conditions remain stable. When temperatures rise, the body may increase perspiration to promote evaporative cooling, effectively regulating core temperature. Conversely, in colder environments, metabolic rates often elevate to generate heat, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of living systems. Altitude introduces another layer of complexity. As elevation increases, the atmospheric pressure decreases, resulting in reduced availability of oxygen. This can strain the respiratory system, prompting adaptations such as increased red blood cell production to enhance oxygen transport. These changes, although beneficial in the short term, can lead to altitude sickness if the adjustment period is insufficient. The delicate balance of homeostasis is further challenged by the interplay of temperature and altitude, requiring organisms to continuously adapt to their environments. In extreme conditions, such as freezing temperatures or high altitudes, the limits of these adaptive mechanisms are tested. The balance can become precarious, leading to potential failure if the stressors overwhelm the system. Understanding the relationship between environmental influences and homeostasis reveals the intricate strategies life employs to thrive within an ever-changing world. The decline of regulatory mechanisms signifies a gradual shift in the body's ability to maintain equilibrium as organisms age. Physiological processes begin to falter. This region of study highlights the changes in hormonal levels, metabolic rates, and cellular repair capabilities. These alterations contribute to an increased vulnerability to external stressors. Temperature regulation becomes less efficient, leading to difficulties in maintaining optimal body heat. Blood pressure fluctuations may become more pronounced, disrupting the delicate balance required for organ function. Nutrient absorption in the gastrointestinal tract also diminishes, affecting overall health and well-being. Cellular senescence plays a crucial role in this decline. Accumulation of damaged cells leads to inflammation, which further impairs the body's ability to respond to stress. The immune system's efficacy wanes, making it harder to fend off infections and diseases. These factors collectively contribute to a state of vulnerability, where the resilience once present begins to erode. This region emphasizes the importance of maintaining homeostasis throughout life. Interventions aimed at promoting healthy aging, such as proper nutrition, physical activity, and stress management, can support the body's regulatory mechanisms. Understanding the interplay between aging and homeostasis offers insights into fostering longevity and enhancing quality of life. It underscores the critical need for research into optimizing these mechanisms as aging populations expand. Pathologies associated with homeostatic imbalance manifest when the finely tuned systems of the body falter. Conditions such as diabetes illustrate the profound effects of disrupted glucose regulation. Insulin resistance leads to elevated blood sugar levels, also triggering a cascade of metabolic disturbances that can culminate in severe complications. This particular imbalance not only affects energy metabolism, but also influences cardiovascular health, kidney function, and even neurological integrity. Hypertension represents another significant consequence of homeostatic failure. When blood pressure regulation is compromised, the heart and blood vessels endure excessive strain. Chronic exposure to high pressure can result in damage to the arterial walls and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. The interconnected nature of these systems reveals the fragility of physiological equilibrium. Hormonal imbalances, such as those found in thyroid disorders, further exemplify the repercussions of homeostatic disruption. An underactive or overactive thyroid can lead to a range of symptoms, including fatigue, weight changes, and mood disturbances. These conditions underscore the importance of maintaining hormonal balance for overall well-being. This region of study emphasizes the need for continual investigation into the mechanisms that govern homeostasis and the complex interactions that sustain health. Understanding these pathologies can pave the way for targeted interventions aimed at restoring balance within the body's intricate systems. Diabetes mellitus exemplifies the challenges of maintaining glucose homeostasis. This condition disrupts the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels, leading to a cascade of metabolic disturbances. In a healthy state, insulin facilitates the uptake of glucose into cells, providing essential energy. A deficiency or resistance to insulin, however, leads to elevated levels of glucose in the bloodstream. Homeostasis and effect of this imbalance is profound. Chronic hyperglycemia causes damage to vascular systems, nerve tissues, and various organs. Over time, these changes manifest as complications that can significantly alter an individual's quality of life. Monitoring blood glucose levels becomes crucial as it provides insights into the effectiveness of dietary and pharmacological interventions. Management strategies often include lifestyle modifications, such as dietary adjustments and increased physical activity. These approaches aim to enhance insulin sensitivity and improve overall metabolic health. In some cases, pharmacotherapy is necessary, employing medications that either augment insulin production or increase glucose uptake by tissues. Ongoing research continues to explore innovative treatments and potential cures, focusing on the underlying mechanisms of glucose dysregulation. Insights from genetic studies are revealing new pathways that could lead to more effective interventions. This case study illustrates the complexity of homeostatic processes and highlights the importance of maintaining equilibrium in the face of metabolic disorders. Chronic kidney disease disrupts the intricate balance of fluids and electrolytes, leading to significant physiological consequences. The kidneys, essential regulators of homeostasis, filter blood, removing waste, while retaining vital substances. In this condition, their efficiency declines, resulting in the accumulation of toxins and imbalances in key electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and calcium. Fluid retention becomes a pressing issue, manifesting as edema, hypertension, and heart strain. This region of the body, responsible for precise fluid regulation, struggles to cope with the excess. Elevated potassium levels can lead to dangerous cardiac complications, highlighting the critical role of the kidneys in maintaining stable electrolyte concentrations. As the disease progresses, acid-base balance is also affected, often resulting in metabolic acidosis. The body's attempts to compensate can lead to further complications, including bone mineral disorders due to imbalances in calcium and phosphate levels. These disruptions not only impact renal function, but can also have cascading effects on other organ systems. Management strategies for chronic kidney disease focus on restoring balance through dietary modifications, medications, and overnight. In advanced cases, dialysis. Each intervention aims to mitigate the detrimental effects of these imbalances and preserve overall health. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial to developing effective therapeutic approaches and improving patient outcomes. Obesity disrupts the finely tuned mechanisms of homeostasis, leading to a cascade of metabolic alterations. This condition is characterized by an excessive accumulation of adipose tissue which not only serves as energy storage, but also functions as an active endocrine organ. The release of various hormones from adipose tissue influences appetite regulation, insulin sensitivity, and inflammation, creating a complex interplay that can exacerbate health issues. Increased adiposity often results in elevated levels of circulating free fatty acids, which can impair the function of insulin. This impairment leads to insulin resistance, making it increasingly difficult for cells to absorb glucose effectively. The consequent rise in blood sugar levels triggers further metabolic disturbances, contributing to the development of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, obesity impacts the hypothalamus, the brain region responsible for maintaining energy balance. Disruption of normal signaling pathways can cause altered hunger signals, leading to increased food intake and further weight gain. The chronic inflammatory state associated with excess fat tissue plays a significant role in the dysregulation of homeostasis. It can lead to a vicious cycle where inflammation exacerbates metabolic dysfunction, creating an environment where the body struggles to maintain equilibrium. Addressing these disruptions becomes essential for restoring homeostatic balance and promoting overall health. Physical activity introduces significant changes within the body, prompting a series of physiological adaptations. These adjustments are crucial for maintaining homeostasis, particularly during exercise. When engaging in physical exertion, the demand for energy increases, leading to elevated heart rates and heightened respiratory activity. This response ensures adequate oxygen delivery to working muscles, countering the effects of metabolic byproducts such as carbon dioxide and lactic acid. A muscle tissue undergoes structural and biochemical changes, enhancing its capacity to utilize oxygen and generate energy. An increase in mitochondrial density occurs, allowing for improved aerobic performance. Concurrently, capillary networks expand, facilitating greater nutrient and waste exchange between blood and muscle cells. Such adaptations are essential for sustaining prolonged physical activity and optimizing performance. The endocrine system also responds to exercise demands. Hormonal regulation of glucose and fat metabolism becomes more efficient, aiding in energy production. Insulin sensitivity improves with regular activity, contributing to better blood sugar control. Thermoregulatory processes engage to maintain core temperature, with sweat production increasing to facilitate cooling through evaporation. Blood flow is redirected to the skin surface, balancing internal temperature against external conditions. But these intricate responses highlight the body's remarkable ability to adapt, preserving homeostasis amidst the challenges posed by physical activity. Each adjustment contributes to overall health and well-being, reinforcing the importance of regular exercise in daily life. Endurance training significantly influences cardiovascular homeostasis. This form of exercise stimulates numerous adaptations within the cardiovascular system, enhancing its efficiency. Heart rate reduction occurs as the heart becomes more adept at pumping blood, allowing for a lower resting heart rate. Increased stroke volume facilitates the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues, promoting overall metabolic function. Vascular adaptations also emerge through endurance training. Blood vessels become more elastic, improving their ability to expand and contract in response to varying demands. This flexibility contributes to balanced blood pressure regulation, reducing the risk of hypertension and related cardiovascular diseases. Enhanced capillary density in muscles optimizes oxygen transport, ensuring that tissues remain well supplied during prolonged physical activity. Additionally, endurance training elevates the production of protective molecules, such as nitric oxide. This compound plays a crucial role in vasodilation, improving blood flow and nutrient delivery. The immune response benefits from these changes, fostering resilience against potential pathogens and inflammation. Overall, the interplay between endurance training and cardiovascular homeostasis exemplifies a remarkable physiological adaptation. Regular engagement in such activities not only supports heart health, but also helps mitigate the effects of aging on the cardiovascular system. Through sustained commitment to exercise, individuals can maintain a robust circulatory system, ensuring efficient operation throughout life's various demands. Dehydration disrupts the delicate equilibrium essential for maintaining homeostasis. When fluid levels decline, the body experiences a cascade of physiological responses aimed at restoring balance. The kidneys play a pivotal role, adjusting urine concentration to minimize water loss. This adaptive mechanism helps retain vital fluids, but prolonged dehydration can compromise kidney function, leading to a cycle of diminishing returns. In the cardiovascular system, reduced blood volume results in increased heart rate and decreased blood pressure. This strain on the heart can lead to inadequate perfusion of tissues, impairing cellular functions. The body's thermoregulation becomes challenged as well, with elevated body temperatures becoming more difficult to manage. Sweating, a primary cooling mechanism, is hindered, making the risk of heat-related illnesses more pronounced. Water imbalances also emerge as sodium and potassium levels fluctuate due to reduced water intake. This can lead to muscle cramps and weakness, as well as neurological disturbances. The hormone vasopressin is secreted to promote water retention, yet its effectiveness diminishes over time with chronic dehydration. Adrenaline and noradrenaline are critical players in the body's response to physical stress. These hormones are produced in the adrenal glands, located atop the kidneys, released into the bloodstream. They prepare the body for immediate action, often referred to as the fight or flight response. This surge alters various physiological functions, enhancing heart rate and increasing blood flow to essential muscles. In this state, energy reserves are mobilized, providing a quick supply of glucose and fatty acids. These adjustments enable heightened alertness and rapid reflexes, essential for survival in threatening situations. The release of adrenaline and noradrenaline also affects respiratory patterns. Breathing becomes more rapid to ensure increased oxygen delivery, vital for sustaining heightened activity levels. While beneficial in acute scenarios, prolonged exposure to elevated levels of these hormones can lead to detrimental effects. Chronic stress may result in persistent high blood pressure and an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. The body's regulatory systems can become strained as it struggles to maintain equilibrium amidst the ongoing demands. This intricate balance underscores the importance of recovery and relaxation. When the immediate stressors subside, hormonal levels gradually return to baseline, allowing the body to restore homeostasis. Understanding these processes reveals the delicate interplay between hormonal responses and overall health. Mental health exerts a significant influence on homeostasis, intertwining psychological states with physiological responses. Emotional well-being can affect various bodily functions, leading to alterations in hormone levels, metabolic rates, and immune responses. Stress, for instance, triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, at elevated amounts, can disrupt this delicate balance. Chronic stress may result in prolonged hypercortisolism, which can lead to a host of health issues, including hypertension and insulin resistance. These conditions arise as the body attempts to maintain equilibrium amidst persistent psychological strain. Anxiety and depression further complicate this dynamic, often leading to irregularities in sleep patterns, appetite, and energy levels. The gut-brain axis plays a vital role in this interaction, where mental states can influence digestive health. Neurotransmitters produced in the brain also impact gut function, creating a feedback loop that affects overall homeostasis. This region of the body serves as a critical hub for nutrient absorption and immune function, thereby linking mental health directly to physical well-being. Maintaining mental health is essential for sustaining homeostatic equilibrium. Practices such as mindfulness, adequate sleep, and social support can foster resilience, allowing for a more stable internal environment. Neurotransmitters play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, acting as chemical messengers that facilitate communication between neurons. These substances regulate a variety of physiological processes, contributing to emotional stability, arousal, and overall mental health. In this delicate interplay, neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine influence mood and behavior, promoting a balanced internal state. When levels of serotonin fluctuate, the impact on mood can be profound. Insufficient amounts may lead to feelings of sadness or anxiety, while optimal levels contribute to feelings of well-being and stability. Dopamine, known for its role in reward pathways, also significantly affects motivation and pleasure. This intricate system ensures that responses to external stimuli remain appropriate, preventing extreme reactions that could disrupt equilibrium. Stressors, both physical and emotional, can disturb this balance, prompting the release of neurotransmitters such as cortisol. In high concentrations, cortisol prepares the body for immediate action, but prolonged exposure can lead to detrimental effects, including impaired cognitive function and weakened immune response. Counteracting these effects, the brain's regulatory mechanisms strive to restore equilibrium, often employing feedback loops to adjust neurotransmitter levels. Maintaining homeostasis is an ongoing process, requiring constant adjustments and fine-tuning. This intricate regulation exemplifies the brain's essential role in preserving both physical health and emotional resilience, ensuring the body can adapt to changing conditions. The delicate balance of homeostasis can be disrupted by various factors, leading to conditions such as cancer. In this state, cellular metabolism undergoes significant alterations. The environment within tumors often becomes hypoxic, where oxygen levels are insufficient for normal metabolic processes. This scarcity compels cancer cells to adapt, relying increasingly on anaerobic pathways for energy production. This metabolic shift is not merely a consequence of disease. It serves as a survival mechanism for these rogue cells. By favoring glycolysis, even in the presence of oxygen, they exhibit a phenomenon known as the Warburg effect. This adaptation allows for rapid energy generation and the production of metabolic intermediates that facilitate cellular proliferation. Such metabolic adaptations create a unique microenvironment characterized by acidic conditions and nutrient scarcity. The surrounding tissues are affected as well, leading to a complex interplay of signaling pathways that can further promote tumor growth and metastasis. The immune system, tasked with identifying and destroying abnormal cells, often struggles to maintain its effectiveness in this altered landscape. Cancer cells can evade immune detection and create environments that suppress immune responses. This intricate relationship between homeostasis and disease underscores the complexity of cancer metabolism. revealing not only the challenges posed by the disease but also potential avenues for therapeutic intervention. Homeostasis in aquatic organisms presents a unique set of challenges compared to their terrestrial counterparts. In water, the surrounding medium offers a constant temperature and buoyancy, yet it introduces variables such as salinity and oxygen levels. These organisms must regulate their internal environments despite fluctuations in external conditions. The gills serve as vital structures for gas exchange, allowing for the absorption of oxygen while simultaneously excreting carbon dioxide. This delicate balance is crucial for survival in often varying water conditions. In contrast, terrestrial life relies on different mechanisms to maintain homeostasis. The atmosphere presents a more fluctuating environment, with temperature and humidity changes that can impact hydration levels. Terrestrial organisms have developed specialized structures such as lungs for respiration and skin to prevent excessive water loss. The kidneys play a pivotal role in regulating water and electrolyte balance, ensuring that these life forms can thrive despite the challenges of their surroundings. Both types of organisms demonstrate remarkable adaptations to ensure that their internal environments remain stable. While aquatic life often relies on the surrounding water for support, terrestrial organisms must actively manage their interactions with the environment. This intrinsic drive to maintain homeostasis highlights the evolutionary pressures that shape the physiological traits of both aquatic and terrestrial species. The mechanisms employed illustrate the diverse solutions life has formulated in its quest for equilibrium. Homeostasis plays a crucial role in plant physiology, ensuring these organisms can thrive despite fluctuating environmental conditions. It regulates internal processes such as water uptake, nutrient absorption, and gas exchange. This delicate balance is crucial, particularly in the context of transpiration, where water vapor exits through stomata, influencing temperature regulation and photosynthesis. The intricate relationship between roots and soil facilitates the absorption of essential minerals. The roots operate as sensors, detecting nutrient availability and adjusting their growth patterns accordingly. This responsiveness exemplifies the adaptability inherent in plant systems, allowing them to optimize resource utilization. In addition, the role of hormones cannot be understated. Substances such as auxins, cytokinins, and abscisic acid orchestrate growth and development, responding dynamically to internal and external stimuli. These hormones ensure that plants can adjust their physiological processes to maintain homeostasis, particularly in stressful conditions like drought or excessive salinity. Photosynthesis, the process that converts sunlight into chemical energy, also requires a finely tuned balance. Chloroplasts adjust the rate of photosynthesis based on light availability, carbon dioxide concentration, and water supply. This regulation is vital for energy production, influencing the overall health and viability of the plant. Through these interconnected processes, plants demonstrate remarkable resilience, embodying the principles of homeostasis in an ever-changing world. Emotional respeus im inuanus ubrians de reiten chimes u faculat. Photosynthesis serves as a cornerstone of energy balance within plant life, facilitating the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, initiating a series of reactions that transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This process underscores the homeostatic regulation essential for maintaining metabolic stability. Light intensity, temperature, and water availability dictate the efficiency of these reactions. When conditions are optimal, energy production aligns with the plant's needs, allowing for growth and reproduction. In contrast, fluctuations in these environmental variables can impose stress. Variables can impose stress, necessitating an adaptive response. Under low light conditions, plants may reduce photosynthetic activity to conserve resources. Conversely, excess light can lead to photoinhibition, where the photosystems become overwhelmed. This delicate equilibrium is crucial, as it ensures energy production does not exceed the plant's capacity to utilize it, thereby sustaining overall health. Media. The oxygen generated during photosynthesis not only supports the plant but also contributes to the atmosphere, influencing ecosystems at large. The interplay between photosynthesis and respiration further exemplifies homeostasis. Plants balance energy intake and expenditure, optimizing their internal environment while responding to external changes. This intricate relationship reveals the profound interconnectedness of life, of notodrosen during Mr. Dridsuckens's depression, highlighting how homeostatic mechanisms govern not only individual organisms but also the broader biosphere. Changes in climate disrupt the delicate balance maintained by homeostatic processes. Variations in temperature, precipitations, and atmospheric composition affect not only individual species but entire ecosystems. Organisms that once thrived in specific environmental conditions now face challenges as their habitats shift. The warming of oceans leads to coral bleaching, a phenomenon where symbiotic relationships break down due to elevated temperatures. This loss of habitat affects countless marine species, creating ripple effects throughout marine food webs. In terrestrial environments, altered rainfall patterns can lead to droughts or flooding, both of which threaten plant and animal populations. This region, once vibrant with diverse life, may experience a decline in species that cannot adapt quickly enough. Insects, crucial pollinators, are particularly sensitive to temperature changes, which impact their life cycles and distributions. The physiological stress on organisms can lead to diminished reproductive success and increased mortality rates. As species struggle to adapt, invasive species may capitalize on the weakened ecosystems, further destabilizing existing homeostatic balances. In the Arctic, melting ice caps reveal consequences for polar bears and seals, whose reliance on stable ice for hunting is compromised. Such changes underscore the fragility of ecological homeostasis amid climate alterations, emphasizing the urgent need for understanding and mitigating these impacts. Ecosystem stability is intrinsically linked to the principle of homeostasis, where diverse species interact in a delicate equilibrium. This region, characterized by a multitude of interdependent organisms, demonstrates how biodiversity serves as a buffer against environmental fluctuations. Each species fulfills a unique role, contributing to nutrient cycling, energy flow, and the overall resilience of the ecosystem. In the absence of biodiversity, systems become vulnerable to disturbances. Monocultures, for instance, fail to withstand pests or diseases, leading to cascading effects that threaten the entire community. The loss of a single species can disrupt trophic levels, altering predator-prey dynamics and diminishing resource availability. Such disruptions can initiate a chain reaction, resulting in diminished ecosystem services that sustain human life and well-being. The interplay between homeostasis and biodiversity manifests in various ecological niches. Wetlands, for example, act as natural buffers, absorbing excess rainfall and filtering pollutants. Their complex web of plant and animal life ensures that these functions are maintained, illustrating the significance of each organism in preserving ecological balance. As environments evolve due to climate change, the ability of ecosystems to maintain homeostasis may be compromised. Monitoring shifts in species distributions and interactions provides crucial insights into resilience strategies. Understanding these dynamics is essential for conservation efforts aimed at preserving the intricate balance that underpins life on Earth. Biochemical pathways play a vital role in maintaining homeostasis within living organisms. Enzymatic regulation governs the flow of metabolites through these pathways, ensuring that essential biochemical reactions occur at the appropriate rates. Enzymes, as biological catalysts, lower activation energies, allowing substrates to transform into products efficiently. This activity is crucial in managing the concentrations of various biochemical substances, which in turn affects cellular function and overall physiological stability. The regulation of enzymes often involves feedback mechanisms in these systems. The accumulation of a product can inhibit the activity of upstream enzymes, preventing unnecessary overproduction and conserving resources. Conversely, when product levels decrease, the inhibition is lifted, allowing for a resurgence of synthesis. Such regulatory strategies exemplify the intricate communication that sustains homeostasis. Environmental factors, including temperature and pH, also influence enzymatic activity. Deviations from optimal conditions can lead to diminished efficiency or complete inactivation of enzymes, which disrupts the finely tuned balance of biochemical reactions. This highlights the sensitivity of living systems to external changes, emphasizing the need for adaptability. In multicellular organisms, signal transduction pathways further refine the regulation of enzymes. Hormones and other signaling molecules can initiate cascades that adjust enzyme activity in response to internal and external stimuli, ensuring that homeostasis is maintained even amidst fluctuating conditions. Genetic mechanisms play a fundamental role in the regulation of homeostatic processes. Genes encode proteins that function as enzymes, receptors, and regulators of cellular activities, enabling organisms to respond to various environmental changes. These gene products are critical for maintaining the equilibrium necessary for survival. For instance, the expression of certain genes can be upregulated or downregulated in response to stressors, allowing adaptation to shifting conditions. Transcription factors are pivotal in this regulation, binding to specific DNA sequences to control the transcription of target genes. This dynamic process adjusts the levels of proteins involved in metabolic pathways, thermoregulation, and fluid balance. In this context, it is evident that genetic regulation serves as a key mechanism by which homeostasis is achieved. Intricate feedback loops illustrate this regulation, wherein the end products of metabolic pathways inhibit or activate gene expression, ensuring that the organism does not waste energy or resources. Such feedback is evident in processes like glucose homeostasis, where insulin and glucagon levels fluctuate to maintain optimal blood sugar levels. The interplay between genetic regulation and homeostasis highlights the complexity of biological systems. It underscores the importance of molecular interactions that occur within cells, enabling life forms to thrive within their environments. Despite the myriad challenges they face, this delicate balance is essential for the continuity of life. The role of evolution in homeostatic mechanisms reveals the intricate adaptations organisms have developed over millennia. Natural selection has favored those that maintain stability in their internal environments, allowing for survival in diverse and often changing external conditions. Over generations, traits that enhance the ability to regulate temperature, pH levels, and other physiological parameters have been passed down, leading to increasingly sophisticated systems of regulation. This process results in a wide variety of adaptations across different species. Some organisms utilize behavioral strategies, such as seeking shade or basking in sunlight, to manage their thermal regulation. Others have developed complex physiological processes, such as the ability to retain water or excrete excess salts, enabling them to flourish in arid landscapes. These adaptations reflect an ongoing dialogue between living entities and their environments, shaping their survival strategies. In aquatic environments, for instance, osmotic regulation is vital, as organisms must balance the concentrations of salts and water within their bodies. Evolving mechanisms for osmoregulation allows these creatures to thrive in habitats that would otherwise be detrimental to their health. Each evolutionary step underscores the importance of homeostasis, underscoring its role as a foundational principle in biology. The interconnectedness of these adaptations illustrates not just survival, but the ongoing journey of life itself within a dynamic universe. Technological advances have enhanced the ability to monitor and understand homeostasis in living organisms. Innovative sensors now track physiological parameters with remarkable precision. These devices measure variables such as temperature, pH, and glucose levels in real time, providing a continuous flow of data that reveals the intricate workings of biological systems. In particular, wearable technologies have gained prominence, allowing for the assessment of individual health metrics without intrusive methods. The integration of these monitoring systems offers insights into how organisms maintain equilibrium in various environments. Data collected can highlight fluctuations in homeostatic conditions, indicating responses to internal and external stimuli. The information serves not only researchers, but also individuals managing chronic conditions, creating a bridge between scientific discovery and personal health optimizations. Advanced algorithms process the vast amounts of data generated, offering predictive models that can identify potential disruptions in homeostasis before they occur. This proactive approach enables tailored interventions, which may include lifestyle adjustments or medical treatments aimed at restoring balance. At restoring balance. In laboratory settings, sensors have transformed the study of cellular responses, illuminating pathways that govern metabolic processes and physiological changes. The ability to analyze these responses in real time enhances the understanding of the fundamental principles that underpin life, reinforcing the delicate balance that sustains existence in an ever-changing world. Omics technologies represent a transformative approach in the study of homeostasis, providing unprecedented insights into biological systems. These methodologies, including genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics, enable the comprehensive analysis of various molecular profiles within organisms. By examining the intricate networks of genes, proteins, and metabolites, researchers can uncover the multifaceted interactions that contribute to homeostatic regulation. Recent advancements in high-throughput sequencing and mass spectrometry have facilitated the rapid collection of vast amounts of data. This wealth of information allows for the identification of biomarkers associated with homeostatic disruptions, which can be pivotal in diagnosing diseases or understanding physiological responses to environmental changes. The integration of omics data with computational modeling further enhances the ability to predict how organisms maintain equilibrium under stresses. The exploration of microbiomes through these technologies has also emerged as a significant area of interest. The symbiotic relationship between hosts and their microbial communities plays a crucial role in metabolic processes and immune responses, influencing overall homeostatic balance. By unraveling these complex interactions, a deeper understanding of health and disease can be achieved. Emerging research in homeostasis reveals promising avenues for personalized medicine. This emerging field focuses on tailoring medical treatment to individual characteristics, needs, and preferences. Advances in technology enable the collection and analysis of vast amounts of biological data, facilitating a more nuanced understanding of each person's unique physiological state. Genomic sequencing, for instance, provides insights into the genetic underpinnings of homeostatic mechanisms. By mapping variations in genes associated with regulatory processes, it becomes possible to predict how individuals may respond to certain treatments or lifestyle changes. Personalized medicine seeks to shift the paradigm from a one-size-fits-all approach to a more individualized framework that considers these genetic differences. Integration of artificial intelligence into health monitoring systems further enhances this endeavor. Continuous data from wearable devices can inform real-time adjustments to interventions based on individual responses. This allows for dynamic modifications that align with the body's natural regulatory processes, optimizing health outcomes. The implications of this research extend to various areas, including chronic disease management and preventive healthcare. Tailored approaches can lead to more effective strategies for maintaining homeostasis, reducing the burden of illness. As scientists continue to explore the intricate web of interactions that govern physiological balance, the potential for personalized medicine to revolutionize healthcare becomes increasingly evident, offering hope for enhanced health and well-being. In synthetic biology, the application of homeostasis extends beyond natural systems, aiming to engineer regulatory mechanisms that mimic the precision of biological regulation. Researchers focus on constructing genetic circuits capable of maintaining equilibrium within engineered organisms. These circuits can respond to environmental fluctuations, ensuring stability in metabolic processes. By inserting synthetic genes into host organisms, scientists create systems that can sense and react to internal and external stimuli. This capability allows for the fine-tuning of cellular behaviors, regulating factors such as growth rates and resource allocation. The integration of feedback loops within these circuits further enhances their ability to uphold homeostasis, mimicking the natural feedback systems found in living organisms. This region of research holds promise for a variety of applications, including biomanufacturing and environmental remediation. Engineered microorganisms can produce valuable compounds while maintaining metabolic balance, thereby optimizing yield and efficiency. In scenarios involving pollution cleanup, these organisms can adapt to varying concentrations of contaminants, ensuring sustained efficacy in diverse conditions. Challenges remain, particularly in understanding the complex dynamics of these synthetic systems. Monitoring and predicting their behavior in real time is crucial for ensuring stability and functionality. Efforts to refine these engineered regulatory systems continue to advance, illuminating pathways toward innovative solutions in medicine and biotechnology. Ethical considerations emerge as a critical aspect of homeostasis research, particularly when it intersects with human health and genetic engineering. The manipulation of biological systems raises questions about the limits of intervention. It invites scrutiny into the implications of altering fundamental processes. Balancing scientific progress with moral responsibility is paramount, especially when dealing with genetic modifications that could affect future generations. And in this context, the potential for unintended consequences looms large. Modifications aimed at enhancing homeostatic mechanisms could inadvertently disrupt other vital functions, leading to unforeseen health ramifications. The risk of exacerbating existing inequalities in healthcare access also warrants careful examinations. These advancements, while promising, may not be equally available to all demographics, potentially widening the health disparity gap. The discourse surrounding consent becomes increasingly complex when considering genetic interventions. Clarity is crucial, ensuring that individuals fully understand the implications of participating in studies that could influence their biological makeup. This region of research demands transparent communication, fostering informed decision-making among participants. The intersection of technology and nature invites ongoing debate about what constitutes ethical boundaries. Each advancement in understanding homeostasis carries with it the weight of responsibility. The pursuit of knowledge must navigate the delicate balance between innovation and the ethical frameworks that govern the implications of that knowledge. Educational approaches to teaching homeostasis emphasize a multifaceted understanding of this vital process. Engaging students requires a blend of theoretical frameworks and practical applications, allowing them to grasp the complexities of maintaining internal stability. Instruction often incorporates visual aids such as diagrams and models, illustrating feedback loops that regulate physiological parameters. This region of study benefits from an interactive approach, where simulations and laboratory experiences provide hands-on opportunities to observe homeostatic mechanisms in real time. Students encounter various examples, including thermoregulation and blood glucose control, which highlight the dynamic nature of physiological balance. Emphasis is placed on the role of hormones and neurotransmitters, essential in signaling pathways that orchestrate responses to internal and external stimuli. Real-world scenarios enrich the learning experience, enabling learners to connect theoretical concepts to everyday life. In addition, interdisciplinary collaboration fosters deeper insights into the implications of homeostasis. Integrating perspectives from biology, chemistry, and environmental science broadens understanding, while encouraging critical thinking about the interconnectedness of systems. Discussions about the impact of environmental changes on homeostatic processes further illuminate the significance of this balance in a changing world. Continuous assessment through reflective practices ensures that learners can articulate their understanding, reinforcing the importance of maintaining equilibrium within living organisms. Thus, the educational framework surrounding homeostasis nurtures not only knowledge, but also a profound appreciation for life's intricate systems. Public health serves as a crucial component in the maintenance of homeostasis within populations, addressing the diverse factors that influence collective well-being. This discipline monitors health trends, identifies risks, and implements interventions that promote stability across communities. By focusing on preventive measures, it mitigates the impact of disease outbreaks, thus fostering an environment where homeostatic balance can thrive. Surveillance systems collect and analyze data, revealing patterns that inform public health strategies. Vaccination programs exemplify this proactive approach, creating herd immunity that protects vulnerable individuals and enhances overall population resilience. Access to clean water and nutritious food further supports physiological balance, reducing the incidence of malnutrition and associated health issues. And nutritional initiatives raise awareness about lifestyle choices, empowering individuals to make informed decisions that contribute to both personal and communal health. These programs emphasize the importance of physical activity, mental well-being, and regular health screenings, all integral to sustaining homeostasis. Collaboration among various sectors, including government, healthcare, and community organizations, strengthens these efforts, creating a network of support that addresses social determinants of health. In this interconnected landscape, public health initiatives work tirelessly to ensure that populations not only survive but flourish, maintaining the delicate equilibrium essential for thriving human life. Different organisms showcase remarkable variations in maintaining homeostasis, each adapted to its unique environment. In the arid deserts, the kangaroo rat exemplifies extraordinary physiological adaptations. This small mammal conserves water through highly efficient kidneys, producing concentrated urine. The metabolic water generated from its food intake sustains its hydration levels, allowing it to thrive in environments where water is scarce. In contrast, the Arctic fox demonstrates adaptation to extreme cold. Its thick fur and fat layers provide insulation, while its ability to alter its metabolism aids in energy conservation. This adaptation allows it to maintain a stable body temperature despite the frigid conditions prevalent in its habitat. Aquatic environments reveal further complexities. The freshwater fish, such as the goldfish, actively regulate their internal salt concentrations. This osmoregulation process ensures that they remain balanced in a hypotonic environment where the surrounding water is less concentrated than the fluid within their bodies. And terrestrial organisms, like the human body, utilize multiple systems to sustain homeostasis. The hypothalamus plays a crucial role in regulating temperature, fluid balance, and energy metabolism. Feedback mechanisms respond immediately to fluctuations, ensuring stability. Anshik's case study highlights the intricate strategies employed by various life forms, illustrating the profound adaptability of life in diverse ecosystems. The pursuit of equilibrium is foundational to survival across all realms of existence. In extreme environments, organisms utilize unique homeostatic mechanisms to thrive, demonstrating remarkable adaptability. These extremophiles inhabit places where conventional life struggles, such as hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, and polar ice. Within these harsh conditions, and it is the ability to maintain internal stability that enables survival. Temperature fluctuations can reach extremes, but it's the ability to maintain internal stability that enables survival. Temperature fluctuations can reach extremes, yet some microorganisms exhibit proteins that remain functional, allowing metabolic processes to continue. In the depths of the ocean, where pressures are immense, certain species possess cellular structures that resist crushing forces. This resilience ensures that essential functions remain intact despite the surrounding chaos. Salinity levels can vary drastically, presenting another challenge. Halophiles, for instance, possess specialized cellular machinery, allowing them to balance internal salt concentrations. This adaptation prevents dehydration, ensuring that cellular processes remain uninterrupted. Similarly, in highly acidic environments, acidophiles maintain a neutral internal pH, utilizing proton pumps to counteract external conditions. The biochemical pathways of these organisms often include unique enzymes that operate efficiently under extreme temperatures or acidity. These adaptations not only showcase the ingenuity of life, but also hold potential implications for biotechnology and astrobiology, hinting at life's possibilities beyond Earth. The study of extremophiles deepens our understanding of resilience, illustrating the remarkable lengths to which life will go to achieve and maintain homeostasis. Interdisciplinary approaches to understanding homeostasis integrate principles from biology, chemistry, physics, and environmental science. This convergence allows for a comprehensive exploration of how living organisms regulate their internal environments despite external fluctuations. Biologists examine cellular mechanisms, focusing on feedback loops and signaling pathways that maintain equilibrium. These processes often involve complex interactions among proteins, enzymes, and genetic material, orchestrated to respond dynamically to various stimuli. Chemistry contributes by elucidating the molecular structures and reactions underpinning metabolic pathways, Understanding the role of enzymes in catalyzing biochemical reactions provides insight into how organisms convert energy and materials from their surroundings. This aspect is critical in maintaining homeostasis, especially in the face of environmental stresses. Physics applies concepts such as thermodynamics and fluid dynamics, examining how energy transfers and physical forces influence biological systems. These principles help explain the mechanisms behind temperature regulation and nutrient transport within organisms, highlighting the interplay between physical laws and biological functions. Environmental science introduces the impact of ecological variables, such as climate and habitat, on homeostatic processes. Changes in these conditions can challenge the stability of organisms, prompting adaptations that further illuminate the resilience of life. Collectively, these interdisciplinary perspectives create a rich framework for understanding how homeostasis is not merely a biological phenomenon, but a complex interplay of various scientific disciplines. This intricate interplay is underscored by several key concepts essential to the understanding of homeostasis. Central to this process is the idea of equilibrium, where internal conditions remain stable despite external fluctuations. This stability is achieved through feedback mechanisms, whereby sensors detect changes in the environment and effectors implement corrective actions. Negative feedback loops are particularly significant as they serve to counteract deviations from a set point, maintaining conditions within a narrow range conducive to life. Thermoregulation exemplifies these principles. In mammals, for instance, the hypothalamus functions as a thermostat, responding to temperature variations by activating responses such as sweating or shivering. These actions contribute to maintaining core body temperature, an essential factor for enzymatic activities and overall metabolic processes. Another fundamental aspect involves the regulation of pH and ion concentrations within cellular environments. The kidneys play a pivotal role in this aspect of homeostasis, filtering blood to maintain electrolyte balance and excreting waste products. Nutrient and energy balance further illustrates the complexity of these regulatory processes. The body meticulously adjusts metabolism based on energy needs and availability, ensuring that all systems function optimally. Thus, homeostasis emerges as a dynamic equilibrium, intricately woven through physiological mechanisms that sustain life in a constantly changing world. Advancements in homeostasis research are poised to uncover deeper insights into the body's regulatory systems. Innovative technologies, such as high-resolution imaging and genomic editing, enhance the ability to observe and manipulate these intricate processes. This region of study is shifting towards understanding the micro-level interactions within cells, providing clarity on how individual components contribute to overall stability. Emerging fields such as systems biology integrate computational models to simulate homeostatic mechanisms. By analyzing vast amounts of biological data, researchers can identify patterns that dictate how organisms adapt to environmental challenges. The implications of this research extend beyond mere survival. They hold potential for breakthroughs in personalized medicine, where treatments could be tailored to individual homeostatic profiles. Exploration of the microbiome's role in homeostasis is another promising frontier. The complex relationships between human hosts and their microbial inhabitants suggest a profound impact on metabolic regulation and immune responses. Understanding these interactions may lead to novel therapeutic approaches, particularly in chronic diseases linked to homeostatic imbalances. Investigating homeostasis in diverse organisms across various environments further enriches this field. Insights gained from extremophiles, for instance, may reveal mechanisms that enhance resilience and adaptability. Such knowledge could inform strategies aimed at supporting human health in an increasingly unpredictable world.